水哈。还有第二个门啊，请自行索取。OK。And the next thing is also very important. You need to go to the restroom before heading to any meeting point or the bus. Okay, because drive distance between any scenic spot would take about 40 to 60 minutes. Okay, so the next one I think is the top important, time management. Today we'll visit 十分 Waterfall and 十分 All Street, and next we'll visit 十分 All Street. Okay, the schedule will be very tight, so time management is very important. So I think all of you, including tour guide, have the responsibility to protect the interest of an entire group. Okay, so please make sure to come back to the meeting point before the meeting time. Sometimes the meeting time is actually the departure time. Okay, so in case you miss a bus, what you're supposed to do? You have to take the taxi to catch us on the next scenic spot. Okay, it will be very expensive, so make sure to come back to the meeting point before the meeting time. Okay, it's clear? OK， 我这边简单解说一下哈，就说今天因为行程很紧凑哈，我们的时间管理很重要，就是说我会提出一个集合的时间和地点，就是务必要请你们在这个集合时间到达之前就要回来，要不然的话我们车就会开走了。开走的话怎么办？就是要麻烦你要搭计程车，好去到下一个景点跟我们会合，好这个费用会很高，非常不值得，好所以说务必要做好时间管理，请大家跟我们配合。Okay, I think the things that I would like to mention to everybody. Okay, according to our law, you need to watch your 5 minutes safety video. Okay. And Skyline Shop, the staff at Skyline Shop will help you do a lot of things. They will help you to fly your sky lantern and also help you to take photos and take videos. Okay, they will make the recording all the process. Don't worry about that. Okay, and however, I need your heads up for. I need to explain to you the sky lantern. I think many of you already received the color set, right? Okay. I know some of our tourists didn't receive it. I will send again later. Okay. However, before that, let me explain to you verbally. This is the sky lantern color set. Okay. We have the single color. Single color means one color. Okay. Each color have different meaning. For example, red color means health, peace. Purple color means career, promotion. A purple color means exam, education. And yellow color, I think a lot of people would love this color because it's related to wealth, it's related to money. Okay, and if you choose one color, it will cost you $280. And we also have the 4 multicolor available for your option. Okay, multicolor means 4 color. Okay, and this Skyline shop can offer you total 7 different combination. So when you choose multicolor, it means you choose 4 colors. Okay, and when you come back to me your order, please answer me. First, you did let me know your good number, and when you mention multicolor, please also tell me your combination number. Okay, as I mentioned, there are total 7 options. Okay, 1, 2 until 7. Okay, so make sure to feedback with the number. Okay, for example, good number 2, if you choose the multicolor, you need to mention good number 2, multicolor number 3. Okay, one piece. So I then understand what you need. Okay, and the Skyline shop also offer you a color. Oh, sorry, I didn't mention the cost. For the multi-color, it costs you $250 NT. And the Skyline shop also offer you a color. A color means, of course, total a color, and it will cost you $350. Okay, and please, because we'll be arrived there very soon, so please answer me your requirement. Okay, in a few minutes. Okay, and because when we arrive, the 10 分 also means departure time, so you need to come.